I am Harsh Tanwani and this video is for the cricket drills. Okay, so today we will learn 3 drills. One drill for the front foot shot, one drill for the back foot shot and one drill for the bowling. So you all are ready for that? Defense for playing any back foot shot. So for back foot defense, your back foot plays an important role. Okay, it will go back. It will go back for playing a back foot shot. For front foot shots, front foot plays an important role. We are going for the front foot shot. You will go on an off stump. You have to cover your off stump for the defense. And if you are getting ball over height, over the chest height, you have to play on the back foot. And if you are getting a ball low, you have to play on the front foot. So take your stance. Tag on the back foot and in this position my back foot is covering my off stump and my front foot, my pad towards the shot. Keep your top hand tight and your bottom hand relaxed. Keep your head bent for the back foot shot and wait for the ball and play a ball near to your chest, close to your body. Don't play ball here. Okay, let ball come to you. You have to play near your body. Okay. Third drill is for bowling. This drill called 4-step drill. What we will do in this, we need 3 cones for this drill. Okay. Follow me. First, the left foot will come in front. Take your action. Second, the right foot will come in front. Third, you will extend your arm. Left foot will come up the ball line. Keep your leg and hand, your elbow and knee in one line. 3. The right foot will come in front. See it again. 1, 2, 3, and 4.